Hi, Mr. Harrison, and welcome to the handover video of your Audi Q2. So obviously it comes with two keys. Now the locking of the car, you've got the lock padlock, which obviously locks all the doors on the boot. Now the unlocking, you press once to unlock the driver's door and press again to unlock all the other doors. While we're outside the car, fuel filler cap is on the driver's side. As long as the car is unlocked, just give it a push and it pops open, and it's the normal E5, E10 standard unleaded in there. We'll also have a quick look in the boot. Obviously you've got the power tailgate, you've got the button there to close the boot, the old number plate in there, and then obviously you've got your inflation kit in the car there. Now entry to the car. Now seat adjustment, you've got the little lever at the far side, left hand side of the seat there to move it backwards and forwards. Obviously this lever here moves the seat up and down, and this wheel at the back adjusts the backrest. So we'll just get in the vehicle. Now starting procedure, just obviously unfold the key and obviously pop it in, foot on foot brake, gear lever selector in park, and obviously up she starts. So adjustment to the wing mirrors, got this little button here, so you turn that to the left to adjust the left one, and to the right to adjust the right one. You've also got the electric windows here, and also you've got the child locks for the rear, so you just press the button if you want to adjust the if you want to engage the child locks to the rear. Central locking, as you drive away the car will automatically lock. If you need to pick anybody up or anything like that, your central locking buttons are just here. Headlights, okay, you've got an automatic setting on this one, so you can just leave it in automatic and the car will obviously look after everything for you. Also automatic are the wipers, so again you can move them up on, pop them in automatic, and the car will look after everything for you when it starts to rain. Your horn anywhere in the center here. Okay, you've also got the cruise control on this car, so again when you get up to speed, press that button to turn it on and off, and then just press to set it, and obviously you can increase or decrease the speed by holding the lever up or down. You've got your audio controls on this side together with the volume control that will increase or decrease the volume. Your Bluetooth for your phone as well, and you've got paddles on the steering wheel, so you can, again, when you're in automatic, you can actually tell the car to change up or down gear manually if you so wish. Your indicators obviously on the normal stalk, and again if you just give it a flick down it'll do 3 indications and then self-cancel. Okay, your full beam, you push it away to flash anyone, obviously pull it back towards you. Air conditioning, so obviously you got your fan speed, and when the red light is lit your air conditioning is on. This is your temperature, so blue is cold, red is hot. Okay, and this is where the air is being directed to. Your navigation, obviously that comes on when you start the car up. If you want to change that screen, you can use the buttons here. So if you press that forward, it'll change to the radio stations, and again using this rotary dial you can move it up and down and obviously go to the relevant. So we'll switch it to radio 2. There we go, just press that down and obviously radio 2 will start playing. To get back to the navigation and the map, just press that button there, and again the map comes up for you. This menu button, if I just press that, again you can, using this scroll button again, you can go through all the various options in the car. Say navigation, if you press that rotary button down, where would you like to go, and then obviously you just using the rotary dial and then pressing it down to select a letter, you obviously type it all in. This back arrow just takes you back to your previous screen. If I press that and press it again, as you can see, it takes us back to the main. So again, I'll just press the nav map There we go, and it'll get us back onto the map. And again, using the rotary, you can zoom in or zoom out. Automatic parking handbrake. So you've got the electronic parking handbrake. Obviously, when with an automatic, when it's in park, the gearbox is locked up. To apply the handbrake, pull this button up. Okay, and to take the handbrake off, foot on foot brake, press it down. You've also got auto hold with this car, so you can press that down, and then obviously a little green light will come on there to show the auto hold facility is on, and the car will then automatically apply the handbrake and disengage the handbrake for you, as well as holding you in traffic, so that you don't creep forward when the car's still in drive. So again, you can turn that on or off as you want. Obviously, you can link your phone up with the car and everything like that as well. And again, you've got your phone buttons here to take the calls and everything, all on the steering wheel. And again, it comes up on the screen who's calling, and gives you the option to take the call. This is your stability traction control on by default. Should be no need to turn that off. This button here just turns the screen off, as you can see. This is your stop start button. So again, turns the stop-start system on or off. And this here is your direct drive, so you can select whether you want the car dynamic, fuel efficient, etc. So again, using the rotary dial, you can select which one you want. And if you leave it in automatic, the car will obviously decide from the position of the throttle, etc., with your driving style, and will adjust automatically for you. Okay, now the information screen in front of you, that's controlled by this part of the steering wheel. So again, you can use this scroll to go up. So if you like if you wanted digital speedo, come back to digital speedo, press that in, and you've got your digital speedo in there. If I press that again, you can go back up to your onboard computer, press the rotary button in again, and that'll give you things like your mile per gallon. And again, you can scroll through any of these and press and hold it in to reset. So again, I'll leave it on the digital speedo a little bit there for you. Alright, and again, as you can see, the information screen shows you it's radio 2. You've got your engine temperature, you've got your fuel gauge, and you've got the total mileage of the car and everything all there. There you go, leave it on that one. So again, let's just efficiency program. So again, you can have a look at your MPG and everything like that. As you can see, you've got 80 miles of fuel in the tank there. Again, your air vents, you can open and close them, and just by rotating the outer trim there. Got a power socket and a USB, and then all the handbook and service books are all in the glove box for you. Inside the armrest there, you've also got an auxiliary input and a USB port as well. So there we have it, a brief look at the car. If you need to adjust the steering wheel, lever here that you fold down, adjust the steering wheel, and then tighten it back up, obviously, before you drive away. So there we are. You've also got an internal boot release if you need to open the boot. There we go. So obviously, see you later when you collect your car. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Thank you.